Today, July 17, 1902, Willis Carrier invented modern air conditioning because a Brooklyn printer had wrinkly paper, not sweaty people, messy magazines. At Sackett Wilhelms, humid air made paper swell and ink colors miss their targets. Carrier, a 25-year-old engineer, realized the trick wasn't make it cold. It was control the moisture. His machine washed air through chilled coils, dried the room, and accidentally changed summer forever. Factories adopted it first. Movie theaters later sold cool air like magic. Surprise! The technology that rescued your sleep began as a panic button for a printing job gone soggy. Basically, comfort was the side effect.